Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'll show you how to rotate your PDF file using online tools, which is smallpdf.com. So search for small PDF at first and go to that site and scroll down, and here you can see all PDF tools. Click on that and here you can see that rotate PDF. So click on that and you have to upload your PDF file right here. Okay, so now here you can see your PDF file is uploaded. So let's as this is a one-page PDF file, so alright, that's okay. Now if you want to rotate this to left side, and here you can see it's rotated left. Alright, and if you want to rotate it to right side, you also can do that, and you also can upside down landscape. Okay, so let's suppose I want to keep this like that and apply changes. After that, here you will be able to see your file will be download automatically started. Now here you can see that it's upside down. Alright, so that's how you can rotate your PDF files using online tool, which is PDF, small PDF. So thanks for watching this video. If you have any kind of question regarding this video, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned with 5-minute solution.